Happy New Year! You're with Cody Hickman at 360 Catering Kitchen. Hey, it's January 1st. It's time to make up for all those bad decisions we made last night for some lucky Black Eyed Pea on National Black Eyed Pea Day. What we're going to do is, instead of just making you boring old Black Eyed Peas, we're going to do a Black Eyed Pea Hummus. So what we're going to do is we start out by roasting some gorgeous garlic cloves. We did about 5 of them for this case. And what you do is just a little olive oil, a little salt, pepper, put on a sheet pan, preheat your oven at 400 degrees, 30 minutes. Done. Keep it on because you don't want them too burnt. You want them a little charred, more of a charred deal. So let's go ahead and put those into the food processor. We're going to put our black eyed peas in there. A little lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice is always great to freshen up anything. A little olive oil. And then cayenne pepper. Be careful because it's going to be very, very spicy if you put too much in there. So I'm just putting maybe a pinch or two, pinch and a half of cayenne pepper. You can always add more if you want it to be a little spicier at the end. So this only takes about 30 seconds to do. We're going to put that on there, get that rolling a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit more olive oil in here. That's going to help smooth out the hummus. You can't put too much in there at the beginning, it'll just big dog clumps and whatnot. Now let's say we're getting a nice, beautiful consistency out there. We're going to go ahead and turn it off. Always safety first, so take that blade out of here. We'll season it with just a little bit of salt and pepper. Go ahead and bring out and put it in the bowl. We already have pre-set up with our pita chips. Put these over here. Then I'm going to garnish with some Italian or flat parsley, whichever you can find in your local grocery store. And some chives. Well, thanks again, guys, for showing up today at 360 Catering YouTube channel. Happy New Year. Let's make it a great one and enjoy.